Hey gang, got this new DeWALT 60-volt circular saw. I'm trying it out for the first time, so stick with us. We're going to unbox it and see how it looks. I didn't have to use a DeWALT knife, but we will. Alright, comes with a new little contractor bag, charger for the battery. This honking 9 amp hour FlexVolt battery. That's going to be fun. And the saw. But wait, there's more. Looks like we get a framing blade, 24 tooth framing blade with it as well. The 6 amp hour charger come along with that 60 volt battery. So this battery is sent with this little bracket on it. So using it with the thing or transport with it on, I believe it just peels off. Hey girls, going to the pool?
Yeah.
Comes right off. One thing about DeWALT and a lot of other circular saws too, but if you notice in the back underneath the battery compartment, the wrench to be able to turn on or to be able to put the blade on is there on the saw itself. Let's see. Need to hold the brake. This is the brake inside. Hold this lever while you're turning it so that you can loosen it too. Alright, so installing the blade, we got it upside down here, but put the blade in over top of the mounting hole. This lock nut goes on just like that. Then we put our screw back in and tighten it down with a wrench. Alright, put our wrench back in the little holder there. Let's see how much charge they sent it to me with. Got one light. Check this thing out. Oh man. And a light. Dude. That's the business. So, angled cuts. Loosen up the plate there. You can go it out to a 45. Back at 0. Dust port here on the side. Nothing crazy about the dust port. So we're gonna get all your trash sent out at. Then we've got a framer's hook, rafter hook. So when you're up in the rafters, if you're cutting, doing some framing on a house, you can hang this guy while you're moving around when you don't need it. And let's see. Lastly, hey.
Thought you were doing a video or something.
Oh yeah.
This thing is an absolute beast. After roughly 70 cuts yesterday, we're still at a full charge.